how to add panel, toolbar, plugins and shapefile in QGIS. So if you want to start work in QGIS, so it is very important for you. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Here is our QGIS software. For panels and toolbar, we go to view and last go to panel. Here is panel detail. If you want to add anyone, so you click here. We add browser. Our browser is add, and we go to next again view. And if you want to other layer, if you want to add layer, click layer. Here is layer, and again we go to view and toolbar and snapping toolbar. Here is our snapping toolbar. We adjust it. Next plugin. If you want to install plugin, go to plugin, manage and install plugin. Here is plugin. You see here all. Here is all plugin. If you want to install it, we click and install it. And here is installed, already installed and not installed. Here is zip. If you have in zip file plugin, so you go to install zip and you select here file, zip file and open, then install it. And next, how to add shapefile in QGIS. Here is our browser. Here is browser. We go to particular drive, D drive, and we select here our folder. Here is our data. We select it. Here is our data, GCB point. We drag it. Here is our data. And if you want to change off and on, you off and on. So our data add successfully. Panels, toolbar, plugin and shapefile add. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you. We discuss basic to advanced QGIS for creating a layer and add point. If you want to learn QGIS, so it is very important or basic. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Here is our QGIS software for creating a point layer. We go to layer and create layer and go to new temporary scratch layer, and we write here layer name, point and geometry type, point and projection default and OK. Our point layer created. For create a feature, we select layer and we go to toggle editing, highlight it, and we select here add point feature and we click here. Here is our point feature. We create. If you want to see table it, you go to open attribute table, and here is table but nothing attribute. Here is all table. Here is 10 feature, and if you want to information it, so you go to identify and you select it. Here is identify. Here is all layer information. So we create successful layer and point feature. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching. How to create line shape file in QGIS. If you want to work in QGIS, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Let's start. Here is our QGIS and we go to layer. After layer we go to create layer and go to new temporary scratch layer, and we write here layer name, we write here line, and geometry type line, and our projection default, and OK. Our shapefile created. If you want to draw line, we select it, select toggle editing, and here is highlighted line feature, we select it, and first point and second point, third point, and after ending we right click, our line is created, we draw next line, first point, second point, and right click, our line is created. If you want to see property, you go to table, here is two attribute tables and but attribute nothing, and if you want to see in information only, you go to identifier and you select here identify, here is all information. So our line feature created successfully. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. How to create polygon shapefile in QGIS. If you want to in QGIS, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. If any query, please write me comment. Let's start. Here is our QGIS. We go to layer and create layer. After create layer, we go to new temporary scratch layer, and we write here layer name, we write here building, geometry type polygon, and projection default, and OK. Our shapefile is created, and we draw a polygon. For draw polygon, we select it and highlight toggle editing. After it, our polygon is highlighted, we click add polygon and draw a polygon as per requirement. And if you want to end it, you right click, and next we draw first point, second point, third and fourth, we right click. If you want to detail, you go to open attribute table, and here is detail but attribute nothing. Two features are created. If you want to see and identify, you go to identify and click it and see here detail. And if you want to change symbology, you go to property, you select here symbol as per your requirement, we select here hello and OK. We successful created polygon shapefile. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.